Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add language on your Mico profile. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Mico application. Make sure you are logging to your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the displayed name. Now tap on the paper and pencil icon. There you can find languages option. Tap on it. Now select the language. You can choose multiple languages too. Once you are done, tap on the tick button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add language on your Mico profile. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.